Hello everyone, it's Dinda. I'm from 12 Science 3. So today I don't have much plan. I'm just watching One Piece and do my homework. And now I will make some food with my mom. And we're going to make spicy chicken liver. And I want to tell you how to make it. Firstly, this vlog was made for my final English subject. So here we go. The ingredients are 3 red candle nuts, 4 red onions, 5 chili, 1 piece of turmeric, 1 piece of ginger, chicken liver, and 1 sachet of masako. The cooking utensils are stove, pan, spatula, a bowl, and a blender. Okay, first prepare candle nuts, red onions, chilies, turmeric, and ginger. Puree using a blender. Don't forget to give a little water. After that, smooth food in container. Heat the oil, then fry the spices that have been mashed earlier. Then stir and let stand until fragrant and the color changes slightly. After that, add chicken liver and give a little water so that the spices are absorbed. Stir again and wait for 10 minutes. And add 1 sachet of masako and let stand until the color is brownish. Finally, spicy chicken liver ready to serve.